Hi, in today's video we are trying to repair another device which is starting to fail on me. This is our CCTV recorder and it is resetting every minute, every 2 minutes by itself. So I'm assuming it's a power issue and we will try to fix it. So I already took an initial look on the PCB and I already have some suspects here. You know, we are here in Thailand, we are here in the very hot climate, and many times electrolytic capacitors are failing on us here because of the harsh environment. And well, let me show you what I saw, and we will try to change those components and then see if something changes in the behavior of the recorder. So here, this area is where the power is supplied from outside and then distributed to the hard drive and the board itself. And we have here 4 electrolytic capacitors, and this one and this one, they're already bulged out on the top, so they will be already weak. Nothing blown yet, but it would probably not take too much longer. So let's take out the board and see how the other side looks like. Overall, just 8 screws and a few connectors, and the board is out. So these capacitors are 470 microfarad 25 volt capacitors. I have my box with electronic components and have the exact same ones here too, so no problem with replacing the other ones. I would say absolutely nothing else to see, and so it's obviously only those 2 capacitors which might cause a problem. I'm using 6040 fluxed solder with 0.5 millimeters diameter when I'm working with electronics. Okay, number 1 is this one. We should add a little bit solder here. Number 2, this one, the first one. It's out. Let's measure the values. You can see it. So we're expecting 470 was the original, and let's see, number 1. 178. Number 2. 243. So actually they're not so bad yet. I expected much lower values, maybe around below 100, but it's okay. Put a little bit solder paste flux there. And we're going to remove the solder. Okay. So the holes are nice and clean. Put the new capacitors inside. Plus and minus, very important. Minus is always the white stripe here. Okay, we turn over, bend the legs a little bit. And solder them on. Okay, let's remove the legs. And that is it. 2 new capacitors are inside. So we're gonna put it into the case. Plug in the connectors. That was it. So everything what was obvious is replaced. I'm going to connect it now back to the monitor, and then we're going to see if the recorder still is resetting or not. Okay, now we're in the office, and yeah, the CCTV is working already for about 20 minutes now without any resets. So as you can see, many repairs are really not complicated to do. They're fairly quick and simple. In certain conditions, these kind of components, especially the electrolytic capacitors, they like to fail. The recorder will probably also be already more than 4 years old, so this can happen. And there's really no reason to go to a shop and buy a new one. So please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. It always helps to find new viewers if somebody also hits the like button. Thank you for watching, and I talk to you next time.